Welcome back to another episode of Then We Eat. On today's episode, we'll be making Buffalo Chicken Enchiladas. So I've gone ahead and prepped some of my ingredients, but I still have a little bit of prep to do. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to chop up some green onion, or otherwise known as scallions. So we're just going to cut the ends off, and we'll trim the tops off. And we'll put those aside. So what I like to do is I like to just take the dead ends off of here, just so that you have a nice smooth onion to start with. We're going to chop the whites up, keep them separate, and then we're going to chop the green up. So we're just going to give them a nice slice. You want them thin, not super thin, but you don't want big chunks. Okay, so I've got the white section. Now I'm going to cut the green section. And we'll take our green onion and we'll put it aside. Now we're going to start preparing our main ingredients. Okay, let's get started with our main ingredients. I've got 2 cups of shredded chicken. This is 2 chicken breasts that I cooked earlier today that I've just pulled into shreds. If you had leftover rotisserie chicken, that's great to use, or if you have leftover turkey, you could also use that. So into the bowl it goes. To that, we're going to add 4 ounces of cream cheese, which is a half a block. You want the cream cheese softened. I've had mine out since yesterday. I had it sitting on the counter, so I'm hoping that it's going to be soft enough. But you want to make sure that it's at room temperature. So that's 4 ounces of cream cheese in with our 2 cups of chicken. We're going to add the white parts of the green onion that we just chopped. A half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. This is 1 cup, so I'm just going to add half of this. I need 1/3 of a cup of Frank's hot sauce. This is a half a cup, so I'm just going to add 1/3 of a cup. And 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cumin. Okay, so I've decided that I'm going to add another 1/8 of a teaspoon. So I'm actually going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of the cumin. We like the taste of cumin. If you don't like it, just add the small little amount. If you like it, you can double it. And we'll give this a mix. So there's my mixture all mixed together. We're going to put that aside. So I've got my chicken mixture mixed. Now I'm going to work on the hot sauce mixture. So to my bowl, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter. Then I'm going to add the rest of the buffalo sauce and 1.5 tablespoons of water. Give that a mix. So we're just going to set our hot sauce off to the side, and now it's time to start making our enchiladas. So before we start making our enchiladas, we're going to prepare our pan. I have some extra butter left over, so we're going to use that to grease the pan. So now I'm just going to take my pan and put it aside, and now it's ready for when we have our enchiladas rolled. Now it's time to start preparing our enchiladas. So you take a nice large flour tortilla, and we're going to spoonful part of the mixture into the middle of the tortilla. That looks like a good amount. Now you're just going to roll your tortillas up. So just get it fold over, fold the ends in slightly. It'll prevent your tortilla from falling apart. And then just give it a slight roll. And there you have it. And you're going to put them in the pan, seam side down. I'm going to carry on with the other tortillas. We'll be back when we're done. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to pour the hot sauce that you prepared over the top of all your tortillas. I got 3 tortillas in my pan. That's what my mixture made. That's good enough for me. We have 3 people in the family. It worked out just perfectly. So we're going to pour the sauce over the top. And we're going to sprinkle the remaining cheese on top. So you should have about 1/2 cup of cheese, and you're just going to put that on top. Okay, so they're ready to go in the oven. You're going to cook them for 15 to 17 minutes in a preheated 400-degree oven. Let's go ahead and put them in, and we'll see you when they're cooked. Our enchiladas are cooked. They're out of the oven. They're ready to dress. Now at this point, you can either add blue cheese dressing to it or ranch dressing. I don't like blue cheese, so I'm going to add ranch dressing to mine. So we're going to add some ranch dressing, a little bit more hot sauce, sprinkle some of the green onion over the top, and we'll be back when it's done. So this is my ranch dressing. You're just going to drizzle it over the top. Wasn't much of a drizzle. There wasn't much left in my container. Then I'm going to drizzle a little bit more of the hot sauce over the top. If you like lots of hot sauce, this is the time to add lots. And sprinkle a little bit of the green onion. And there you have it. One buffalo chicken enchilada. Now it's time to give it a taste. Really good. The hot sauce gives it a little bit of a kick. It's not terrible. If you like hotter, you could just add a little bit more hot sauce to it. This is perfect to me. You get the nice taste of the cumin, the cheese, the hot sauce, the chicken. It's just all so good. So thanks for watching the video. Hit the like button if you liked the video. Comment down below. Let us know how we did. Share it with all your friends. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That lets you know when we upload a new video. We upload every Friday. And don't forget, first we cook, then we eat.